Hello everyone. I'm Habiba Muhammad. I'll be presenting for you HH Fashion Store. Starting with the table of contents, first we have the introduction, second, the store concept, third, the mission and vision statements, fourth, we have the segmentation, targeting, and positioning. First, we'll start with the introduction. The consumption behavior got changed after the pandemic, as the social distancing and increasing the safety precautions had the consumer's attitude changed while shopping. HH Store will be operating in New Cairo, Egypt. HH Store promises the Egyptian consumers to have a delightful shopping experience where the aim is to have whole safety experience and cool and interesting one. HH Store will be introducing new technological aspects in the world of the fashion industry. Second, we'll be introducing the store concept. We have actually two concepts to introduce. First is the application and virtual fitting room. The second one is the drive through option. Starting with the application and virtual fitting room, HH Store application will be user friendly and cool one, where the items will be available and organized on the application. And it will have a virtual fitting room. It's an item available on the right bottom where there will be like a camera. It's like the virtual fitting room will be like an Instagram filter where the consumers will be able to try the available items as represented on the screen. Here, the person is trying to see whether the clothes is fitting her or not by using the visual, the virtual fitting room. So uh, we'll be using this. Also, there will be a section for feedback for the consumer to tell HH Store what do they like and what they don't in order to improve the shopping experience for the consumers, as the aim is to have a strong customer loyalty and to increase the customer satisfaction. The second store concept is the drive-through, where HH Store is offering a drive-through option where the consumers will stay at their cars and get what they want. The concept behind this option is to maintain social distancing and it saves time for the consumers and make the shopping experience different, unlike the traditional way, as they can use the application to choose whatever they want, then receive what they want by the drive-through option. As you see in the presented the PowerPoint, we have here how the process will go. The third thing is the mission and vision statement. We have two statements to produce. The first one is the mission statement, which is about an interesting and impressive shopping experience is offered, and it integrates technology in a cool way. And for the vision statement, HH Store concept is to make the shopping more accessible for the consumers, maintaining social distancing and ensuring sustainability. Next, we'll be moving to the segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Starting with the segmentation, we have two segmentations introduced here, the demographic and behavior segmentation. The population in Egypt is highly growing population and expecting to grow more and more. So the number of young people are a lot and growing. This encourages HH Store to launch and to have this experience as the purchasing power is growing. So this motivates the business to operate. Also, the Egyptian market is a price driven market. So the income is another important factor. Moving on to the second point, which is targeting. HH Store will be targeting the age group that's around 16 years old to 40 years old, as the store will include different styles that matches the teenagers and the adults too. This age group will be willing to enjoy the drive-through option as well as the virtual fitting room, as this age group knows how well to use technology. And this is for the targeting. Moving on to the third point, which is positioning. Introducing the virtual fitting room and the drive-through options, which enables um, the increase of use of technology in the fashion industry. Thus, HH Store will have a strong impact on the Egyptian consumer, as the aim is to improve the shopping experience for the consumers. At the end, I would like to say that HH Store is trying to resolve the problem of COVID-19, as the technology used aim to maintain social distancing by making the shopping experience safe and enjoyable at the same time. Thank you for listening and passing our greets from HH Store Fashion.